In this video, let us look into the applications of trigonometry. And before we straight away look into the applications of trigonometry, let us learn a couple of most very important concepts related to the applications of trigonometry. They're called as angles of elevation and depression. Let's see what are they. Now, let O and P be the 2 points such that the point P is at higher level. Let OA and PB be horizontal lines through O and P respectively. Now, if an observer is at O and the point P is the object under consideration or is the object under observation, then the line OP is called the line of sight of the point P. The line OP, I repeat, the line OP is called as a line of sight of the point P, and the angle AOP, I repeat, the angle AOP between the line of sight and the horizontal line OA is known as the angle of elevation. You're looking up at the object P, right? You're looking at an angle. You're standing at O and you're looking at an angle, right, at the object P. So what is that angle called? You're elevating yourself to look at that point. So therefore, this angle is called as the angle of elevation of point P as seen from O, right? So the green line here is a line of sight, and the angle by which you tilt your eyesight or your sight to look at object P from object O is called as the angle of elevation. And if an observer is at P and the object under consideration is at O. Now, in the previous case, the observer was at O, or you or me or somebody was at O and we're looking at P. Now, if you or me is standing at P and if we are looking down at O, then, we are not elevating ourselves to look at O, but then we are like kind of tilting our head downwards. So we're kind of depressing. So that angle by which we look down at O from P is called as the angle of depression, right? So that's all. So these are the angles of elevations and angles of depression. And obviously the angle of elevation of a point P as seen from point O is equal to the angle of depression of O as seen from P, because it is really clear that the lines OA and BP are horizontal and most importantly parallel to each other, right? That's the most important thing. They are parallel to each other. So in that case, even geometrically, without even thinking logic, we can say that angle AOP is equal to angle BPO. Otherwise, if these two objects are the same point and if the angle from here is something, then definitely the angle from here should be the same thing as what was here. So if angle AOP is 60, then the angle BPO is also 60. So the angle of elevation equals the angle of depression if you're looking at the same points. So yeah, this ends this video. So these are the concepts that is really important to apply trigonometry and solve problems, kind of like real life problems. Say, you'll note in the forthcoming videos when we solve problems, by applying concepts of trigonometry and also using the concepts, angles of elevation and angles of depression as we've learned here. So yeah, I'll see you in the forthcoming videos with more, with problems which would be solved by applying trigonometry.